How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust your keyboard backlight in VIA. So it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the official application or the official website of VIA. Click on the Start Now option, and then you want to click on the Authorized Device. From here, you will be able to see the compatible keyboard that you want to configure. So just simply click on it, and then it will look something like this. So as of the moment, we are inside the configure option. Basically, you just want to click on this light bulb icon, and then we have the full settings of backlight inside VIA. So in here, you can adjust your brightness, you can adjust the effects for your keyboard, the effects speed, and lastly, the color. So that's how easy it is to adjust your backlight using VIA. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.